morning, Sawadika. First of all, on behalf of Toyota Motor Thailand, we would like to express our sincere gratitude to your support on new Corolla Cross launch last month. And thank you for joining the new HiLux Press launch today. Before starting, allow me to talk the story of IMV, or Innovative International Multipurpose Vehicle, which was led by Mr. Akio Toyodas and market stations. The first generation of IMV was introduced in 2004, and we delivered 2.7 million units to Thai customers. On top of it, we have exported over 4 million IMVs to over 120 countries all over the world. Together with high local content, IMV contribute to Thai economy and create jobs. I truly believe it was realized through trust of IMV and Toyotas from Thai customers, together with the support from Thai government. So, IMV was called the national car of Thailand. Last 2 years, the Thai automobile industry faced a lot of difficulty and challenges. Total market declined by 9%, and especially the pickup market declined by 32%. Under this situation, our HiLux level gained more than 40% market shares, which was highest since 2011, and contribute to continuous growth of our total market shares. Thank you very much. In addition, the new HiLux Champ was launched end of last year. Thankfully, there were plenty of positive feedbacks as the vehicle could create the futures, and also captured the new customers. Based on it, Toyota became #1 in pickup segment and gained around 47% market share from January to February this year. This is the result of the confidence on both Revo and Toyotas from Thai customers. Thank you very much. But we don't stop investing on HiLux or national car of Thailand in order to meet the customer needs further from heavy to light road and private use. And now, we'd like to introduce you to see our new HiLux labels. Starting with the Revo GR Sports 4x4, which is our flagship model, inspired from Rally Motorsports. It is white-red and all-new design, with outstanding performance based on special tuned 2.8 GD superpower engine, suspension, and even brake. It was confirmed based on the experience of Asia cross-country rally. The next is HiLux Revo Z editions on both double cab and smart cab. We adopt a new exterior design that looks sleek and aggressive. It will suit the customers who love to decorate their cars into their own unique desires. We also added VS and hack in both models to promote safety further. And last one is HiLux Revo Smart Cabs, pre-runner and 4x4. We expand our front exterior design from Revo D, which are well received from Thai customers. In addition, all models meet Euro 5 standard to reduce PM 2.5. Again, I hope new HiLux levels, together with HiLux Champ, will meet the Thai customer need further and gain higher market share in Thailand. And more importantly, they will bring a smile of Thai people and contribute Thai economy further as a national car of Thailand. Thank you very much. Kopun Maka.
Well, thank you very much, President of Toyota Motor Thailand, Mr. Noriyaki Yamashita.